Experience the freedom of morning naked yoga. Have you ever wondered about taking your yoga routine a step further? To break the shackles of the socially imposed norms and truly feel one with nature? Naked yoga in the morning might be your answer. As the sun rises, imagine beginning your day with a revitalizing session of yoga in your most natural state, naked. It's a liberating experience that empowers you to celebrate and respect your body just as it is. Bear in mind, this is not about exhibitionism. This is about tapping into a deeper connection with your body and the surrounding environment. Free from clothes, you develop an unexpected intimacy with yourself, enhancing body awareness. The skin, our largest organ, gets a chance to breathe, feeling the warmth of the sun and the cool morning breeze. This sensory stimulation results in a heightened awareness, enhancing the yoga experience and your concentration. There's no hiding in naked yoga. It forces you to confront any insecurities or negative body image issues head-on. With time, it promotes body positivity and self-love, helping you to appreciate your unique body. As you stretch and twist, your body unrestricted by clothes, you achieve a greater range of motion. Naked yoga allows you to observe and correct your alignment, improving the effectiveness of your practice. Releasing the physical constraint of clothing also releases inhibitions. This creates an environment of acceptance and openness, fostering an emotional catharsis that often leads to personal growth and increased confidence. Naked yoga also helps to destigmatize nudity. It aids in breaking down barriers constructed by society, opening a dialogue about body positivity and acceptance, making us realize that every body is a yoga body. The practice of naked yoga in the morning can be a powerful tool in breaking the cycle of body shaming, promoting self-acceptance, and improving your overall yoga practice. It's about embracing vulnerability and finding strength in it. Remember, if you decide to embark on this journey, your comfort is paramount. Use your home's privacy or find a class that assures confidentiality and respect. You control your experience, and you set your boundaries. So, awaken your senses, breathe deeper, and move more freely with naked yoga in the morning. It's time to celebrate your body in all its glory and experience yoga like never before. You might find it's just what you've been looking for.